Now in this video, I'll be showing you guys a totally wireless earbuds which is not only reliable but also really affordable as well, as here's my review of the Edifier TWS 3 wireless earbuds, so keep watching. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, hello and welcome. Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release videos every single week, sometimes twice a week. And if you're returning as a subscriber, yo, what up? Now first of all, a huge thanks goes out to Edifier Malaysia for sending out this device, and let's start with the unboxing, shall we? Now the Edifier TWS 3's box comes in white with the visuals of the earbuds in front with TWS 3 at the bottom. And looking at the back of the box is where you'll find all its features and specifications there as well. Now lifting up the cover, you'll see the charging case at the top portion and a white box down below which contains the instructions manual, the USB-A to micro USB cable, the extra earmuffs and the extra earwings as well. And going to the charging case, you'll find both the earbuds fitted nicely in there. Now the Edifier TWS 3 is a true wireless stereo earbuds, hence the TWS acronym, and in Malaysia it's available in two colors for you guys to choose from, and what I have with me is in black, where usually I would go with white, but since I sweat like a crazy dude while working out and since I'm a clean freak, I think I'll spend most of my time trying to clean the earbuds more than anything, so yes, I went with black. Now starting from the build quality, the case is made of hard and very durable plastic. It is pretty light, which makes this easy to bring on the go, and looking at the ports and buttons, there's the button right in front to open up the case where it has a very solid spring-like effect when it's open. Then after closing the case, there is a light indicator below that button to let you know what's the current battery available for the case once you close the case. And you'll find the micro USB port at the back, where to be honest, I was really hoping for a USB-C port, but considering its price, which I'll let you guys know later, it is definitely not a big issue for me. Now as for the wireless earbuds itself, it is made of high quality hard plastic, and storing the earbuds is very much easy as there's a magnetic-like feeling when you put the earbuds in a case, which also gives that sort of a premium-like quality, where there's also the exact shape of the earbuds with the charging pins below as well. Now the Edifier TWS 3 has a Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity. There's no app, so it is a straightforward Bluetooth device, and to pair it with your phone, once your phone's Bluetooth is turned on, press and hold the left side of the earbud, and then you'll hear a voice prompt which will say it's pairing, and then go back to your phone and look for Edifier TWS 3 in your Bluetooth device list. Once connected and paired, you'll hear a confirmation to let you guys know that it's paired. Then put on the right side of the earbuds, press and hold that button, and then it's paired together. And what's cool is that if you guys would like to use just one of the earbuds instead of two, you can use it in the one headphones mode by just pairing on the left side of the earbuds alone, which switches from stereo to mono. And since it's connected to your phone, you can answer or make hands-free phone calls through these earbuds as well. Now in terms of comfort and fitting, as seen in the box, there are different sizes of the earmuffs and also the earwings as well. And out of the box, it fitted in my ears very much easily, and since it fits comfortably in my ears, it does passively block out the outside noise. Now there's two physical buttons on both sides of the earbuds, and once it's paired, you can easily go to the previous track by pressing the left earbuds twice, and then pressing the right earbuds twice takes you to the next track, and pressing either one of the earbuds just once will resume or pause the track. Now based on my personal test, I never had any issues of the earbuds falling out or even feeling uncomfortable throughout my whole entire workout. It fitted in very snugly even when I was doing weighted bench related workout exercises, which was something which I was really very much happy about. It also has IPX4 splash and sweat proof as well. Now, as a person who loves music and appreciates a very good sounding audio, I was really impressed, guys. Now, I tested these earbuds with different genres of music, where I started off with Daniel Caesar's Get You, where I really felt the kick and the bass sound, and the vocals felt crisp and clear right in the middle. And then I switched up to Logic's Wu-Tang Forever, where the East Coast rap style of music sounded really good as well. Then in terms of listening to heavy rock type of music, I tried Tremonti's Trust, and here's where I felt the bass and the rhythm guitar to sound really good, and the overall drums snare cut out through perfectly, with the vocal complementing the overall sound. And once you're done listening to music, you can take off the earbuds even while the music is running, and then put it in the case as it turns off by itself, which I find it really neat and cool, as you don't really have to worry about forgetting to turn off the earbuds, and you don't have to worry about losing battery. And speaking of battery, let's talk about the battery life. Edifier claims a continuous 3 hours battery life when in the ears, and honestly I got a bit more than 3 hours, which I find it really shocking. And since you get an extra 3 times more charge when it's charged in the case, it does extend the overall battery life up to 9 hours or even more. Then it'll take you about 1.5 hours to charge the earbuds, and about 2.5 hours to fully charge the case, compared to the 3 hours claim from Edifier, which is another surprising factor. Now, one way to know whether or not you're running out of battery while using the earbuds, the lighting indicator at the earbuds will turn from blue to red. Now, in conclusion, if you guys think it's about time to go fully wireless, I think the time is now. With a super affordable price of only 249 ringgit, with all its features, it is a no-brainer that you should definitely get yourself one. And with this, I'd like to say thank you to Edifier Malaysia for not only sending out a unit to me, but they're also generous enough to give one to you guys. Check it out. So if you guys would like to win yourself one, I'll leave all the info about how you guys can win one at the description below. And if you guys would like to buy yourself one just in case you guys did not win it, I'll leave a link at the description below. So guys, with this, do let me know whether you guys are considering going fully wireless and planning to get these earbuds at the comment section below. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share this video, and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.